Tears in my eyes. Jesus.
Amaru. Mas Glover. Yeah. Girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah. Busy schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah. I can't wait till we're together, I can never get enough of you. Yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Oh. She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah. You gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Woo. Won't you be the body in my story? She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I had to pause y'all because I had to put the wig on. And it was rough. Okay, I cannot lie. I was not expecting that. Is this what y'all women be going through? Because this is trailer trash. And I don't like it. I don't know how long this gonna last, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. Y'all might see me with the wig today, see me with my hair tomorrow. Who knows? Anya, are you over plucking the hairline?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. Listen, y'all, that was tight. That was real tight. Okay, like imagine squeezing
That was real tight.
Yeah, imagine squeezing a watermelon through a donut hole. This is what was happening here, trying to get this wig on my big ass head. But we made it. Nevertheless, it's a little tight, but okay, let's see. So we about to see Anya work her magic. Okay, now we about to turn the music back on, y'all.
No magic.
BRB.
You got the magic. Yeah, I got it. You got it. You got the magic. Oh. Hit the praise dance. Get it, cuz. Her dressing day. Get it, okay. Hey,
These ain't got no sense. Please come and get them. Look at this. Look at this child. Look at her. Just look. Y'all wonder. Y'all be thinking I ain't got no sense. Child, y'all ain't doing nothing yet.
Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world.
Hey, you sure they're not bleached?
Girl, can you leave me alone?
Because they looking real not bleached. Don't ask me how I know, because I know.
Listen, if they not as bleached as they should be, blame the vendor.
Yeah. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah. on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you hold me all the way, I need it all, baby.
Okay, you guys, I have left the beauty shop. So I love my hair. My wig is by KeyLuxe Collection. I will have everything linked in the description box. So I like my hair. I like the texture of the hair and all that stuff and how it looks. The only thing I don't like is that my lace, because I didn't get it glued down so you can see my lace, but Anye didn't use like a tone that matches my skin. So I'm gonna go and get a different like powder foundation, and then I'm gonna see if my little sister can do something with it too. She's really good with like laying wigs, so I don't know if the lace needs to be cut into more or what, but I gotta figure it out because it's driving me. It doesn't like look terrible, but you can definitely see it, you know what I'm saying? So but besides that, I really like it on me. So I'm gonna have to just figure out how, like, y'all see that, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that to look a lot better. If I have to get it glued down, then I will. Hi you guys, so this is future me. It's actually Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I am dressed and ready to go, but I wanted to come to you all and show you guys my wig. So if you guys can see, if you remember, it looks a lot better. The knots were not bleached on my unit like I originally thought that they were, like I was told that they were not bleached. So I had to have my sister bleach them, and then I added like some powder. The powder is a little off. It's difficult to find my skin tone, and I don't wear makeup, so I don't have any like that matches. But yeah, so I just wanted to come to you guys and show you guys the hair. When I got it bleached yesterday, I washed it, conditioned it, and then leave-in that I use on my natural hair, I added leave-in to it, and then I Herbal Essences mousse to it, and it got this like little like curly look. So I really like how it looked. I'm really happy that I figured out what the issue was and was able to fix it on my own. So yeah, that's my hair, you guys. I wanted to make sure that I came back to let you guys know and let you guys see it and see how it actually looks when it's done correctly. So yeah, that's how it's looking. I'm gonna try to find a different color powder, but then again I might not, because I mean, you know, your scalp's supposed to be lighter. But that's how it looks, you guys. So that's the end result of my hair. I really like it. This is my first wig, you guys, and I'm really pleased with it. I added a little bit of Got To Be spray like right here to kind of spray it. Yeah, I'm pleased with it. I mean, you know, it's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than when I left the shop. So yeah, this is it. I wanted to show you guys that, but I gotta go, y'all. I gotta get to dinner. So happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, leave, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.